me, Sophia, and today we're making cookies with my cousin and my brother. And these are the ingredients. This is baking soda, salt, vanilla, toppings, egg, kisses, and butter. Some butter, it's really hot. Some walnuts, flour, sugar,
And brown
sugar, and normal sugar. So we're gonna mix this first. We're gonna put this right here.
And the flour.
Then the flour next.
The sugar.
Flour. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's. How about you do it first? Go. I'm gonna mix it. I mix.
No. No biscuit.
I mix.
You don't mix it. You don't mix it.
I know. I mix. I know. Okay, now the brown sugar. Okay, go. All of it. I think we're gonna have these, and we're gonna whisk it and mix it. I don't know. I don't know why we're doing it. My brother wants it. And now the flour.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks fine. Yeah. It's actually like peanut butter. Yeah. We're now here. We put the walnuts.